Alright guys, here I am with a half case of panini plates and patches. Thanks to everyone who joined. I've been noticing that around only like 3% of my watch time is by subscribed people. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Be sure to subscribe and drop a like also. Alright guys, here we go. You all know the teams. The way I did the Cowboys was different this time. You bought them by box, but you didn't know which box you got. And then it was randomized from there. So, this product I've been looking forward to for a long time. It got delayed a lot, but here we are finally opening it. First card up is for the Steelers. Looks like a parallel out of 50. Franco Harris. Nice. Alright, now for the Patriots. Jacoby Brissett, RPA sticker out of 99, 2-color. Wow. And I just sold the Browns. They were the last second deal. A last second deal on the Browns. So this is Corey Coleman and Cody Kessler out of 50. Cody is 2-color, and then Corey is, I believe, 3. Consider that 3 colors. Steve Lingard for the Seahawks, 1 out of 1 printing plate. Very nice. And for the Buccaneers, Warren Sapp out of 79. Alright, now just a moment while I pop these all in top loaders. Alright, Jacoby Brissett. Alright, very nice. Very nice. Second box. This is B. Also Dodgers Cowboy box. Dodger has them up till C. Then memorabilia, I believe, has D. And Slow has them after that. Oh, oops. Sorry. Slow has something else after that. Slow has E, and then Dodger has F. That looks like Redskins, yep. Redskins, Deshaun Jackson, out of 50. Very nice card. For the Ravens, Keenan Reynolds, out of 50. RPA, 2-color. I'm hoping for an Aaron Rodgers. That'd be really sweet. For the Giants, Paul Perkins, Sterling Shepard. Nice, out of 50, both dual. 2 away from Paul Perkins' jersey number. Sorry, both 2-color, not dual. Didn't know what I meant by that. Alright. For the Ravens, we have a 1 of 1 2016 Donruss Classics, Jamal Lewis and Trent Dilfer for the Ravens. And Phillip Rivers, 7 out of 99. Alright, third box. C. Dodgers' last one until he has the last Cowboys box. After this one, yeah. Hey, I keep taking the extra part of the box with me. Alright, Jarvis Landry out of 50. Ooh, I don't think I did end up selling the Texans. Braxton Miller, 10 out of 25. 2-color RPA. Very nice. Oops, forgot to put the this one and the last one in a sleeve. My apologies. Nope, no one took the Texans. Wow. Sweet. Maybe I could hit a full or two. Bears, Jordan Howard, full coverage. Numbered 8 out of 50. A third his jersey number. That's nice. That's real nice. I have been looking forward to the break a long time. Sorry guys if you think I'm taking a while. I'm not really taking that long, I don't think. Making sure I take care of the cards. For the Chiefs, Jeremy McAllen, 2016 Gala football. Very nice. Yeah, and there is one guaranteed plate in the rig. Now this, it's interesting. This one has, they all have like plates and patches stamped on top of them. Not sure how they did that, unless they were planning on it a while. Ooh. I like the way that looks. I never checked up. That was the Seahawks one. Alright. And Greg Olsen out of 99 for the Panthers. Alright, so my next break is 2016 Panini Encased. As I promised, I'd release that. And then, but people have known about that for a while. Anyone following my Instagram knows that. But I'm going to be doing 2017 Donruss Elite draft picks. I'm going to be doing one box of that. Or at least one box. I'm going to be selling those by pack. So it's $23 shipped per pack. If you buy more, I can give you a deal. But I'm just thinking, because 27, like College Gate, when they aren't even drafted yet, you really can't do any NFL teams. Alright, so this is D. Memorabilia cards. Has the Cowboys. That's not, yeah, I didn't take it out with me. This is the fourth box. Thanks again, everyone, for watching. I really appreciate it. And thanks again, everyone, for joining. So, this legend, Ozzie Newsome, 43 out of 50. Nice. Next, we have a redemption. Can you guys see that? I don't think so, so we're going to wait till the end. Cody Kessler, out of 75, 22 out of 75, 2-color. Couldn't talk for a sec there. It's amazing how hard the Browns hit. Like, in most breaks I've seen. It's crazy. Wow, here we go. Again, Browns. Dang it, should not have sold them. Corey Coleman, 1 out of 1 black plate Spectra. Man. Alright, well, that's okay. It's okay. I hit that, Braxton Miller I didn't sell. Alright, Matt Forte, 93 out of 99. Now, as for the redemption goes, okay. So we got it's football, plates and patches. Card set is Upper Allegiant. I'm not sure what that is. Card 36, Kenyon Drake for the Dolphins. Alright. Pretty nice. The Dolphins almost weren't sold, or no, they were going to be sold, but they almost weren't sold to the person they were. So second last box, E. E for Slow. He's got Cowboys in this one. Man, if there's any more Browns hits, I'm going to be kind of upset. But it's okay. Part of the, I guess, job deal. I agree to it. Alright, Eric Dickerson, blue. Almost in, ooh. 12 out of 50. Eric Dickerson for the, I don't know what team that is. Okay, and, oh, okay. Just a sec. Alright, next hit is going to be the Cowboys. Oh, this next one is sick, too. Cowboys, 2 out of 5. Okay, so that's Upper Allegiant. I'm guessing the next one's going to be 2 out of 5. On card, this is sick. That's sick. Two out of 5. Sorry, his name is Randy White. Did I say that? I don't think I did. Randy White for the Cowboys. Next up is going to be the Eagles. Next up is the Eagles. Alright, Eagles with a 4 out of 5, Wendell Smallwood. Very nice. I like how that shines. Wendell Smallwood for the Eagles. I actually thought this was a 1 of 1. That's why I was like, wow. Yeah, next up, we have a 101 for the Packers. 1 out of 1 for the Packers. Trevor Davis, 1 out of 1 Packers. Trevor Davis. And next up is the first ever card I've pulled in a break, been breaking. Never mind, sorry. I was going to say it's the first one that's the first card made, but I've actually pulled that a lot. I've never pulled the last card made or jersey card. So, but I've pulled like 4 or 5 first one mades, so eBay 101s, what I mean. Very nice. Alright, now last box. If there's a Cowboy hit, it goes back to Dodger. Thanks again, everyone, for joining. I really like some of the stuff that's been pulled. Probably shouldn't have sold the Cowboys out like that, Browns out like that, but that's how it works. Made someone happy, so. Alright, guys, last box. Thanks, everyone, for watching. Be sure to join my next break and watch other videos I've done. Peace. Thanks. Alright, so 10 out of 25 for the Vikings. Morris Borner. Not sure how to say that. So for the Giants, oh yes. Alright, guys, sorry, I need to prolong this break a little bit. So Hoop. Finally hitting you for the Giants. Paul Perkins. 5 out of 99 RPA. Not the best hit, but finally getting you. And Dodger. All those teams and Ezekiel Elliott. Pretty nice. 22 out of 50. 2 color. That's very nice, though. I know, you guys already saw the card, and I was like, oops. And then I was like, oh. And then I was like, oops. But it's good. Alright, and then for the Broncos, we have Paxton Lynch, Magenta. This is from 2016 Playoff Football. Just normal card. I've actually got that card here somewhere. The card this was the plate to. So that's really cool. Whoever had the Broncos, I'll ship that with you also. I'll give you that for free. And last card, Chargers, 41 out of 79 Joey Bosa rookie card. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out some more.